How to use System.io Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you how we can actually use the System.io Marketplace for affiliate marketing and all of those things. So basically, in Marketplace in your System.io, it's pretty much a place where people can promote their products and all of those things. But then you can also take those and start promoting them your own. And if you actually get sales from them, then you can also get commissions, which is, affiliate marketing at the end of the day. So you can actually go ahead and access the marketplace by first going to System.io. And then from here, you can just go ahead and hover over the dashboard option, and you'll find the marketplace option at the bottom of it. So feel free to just go ahead and click on that, and then it's just going to open up a few things here for us. Okay, great. So first is going to be the offers and also affiliate programs. So we have these two options to choose from, and they're going to work almost the same way. And also we have the categories. We can basically filter through them by category. Just go ahead and select the category that you want and click on filter to go through and basically filter the search for you. Now here is going to be how it is going to work. You want it in the offers first. Let's just start with the offers, even though it's almost the same thing. Just go ahead and find the right offer that you want to promote. Go ahead and click on that, and then from here you'll have all the information that you need. The commission rate, first tier and second tier. Sometimes there's only one tier, really depends. And then you can also read the offer description. Make sure that you actually do, just so you have a better idea of what you're actually promoting and all of those things. And you can also view the vendor from here, which is going to be the person behind it, so you can actually learn more about them. But then here you also have the sales page, which you can actually see and promote. So to do so, it's actually very easy and simple to do. You want to just click on promote offer right next to that. And then from here, you will find this page. So this page is what you actually want to share. But first, you can actually feel free to view the page yourself, and then you can just go ahead and start sharing it. So what you need to do is very simple. You want to just go ahead and copy the link at the top once you click on promote offer. So again, just promote offer, and then just copy this link. This is going to be your affiliate link. So just go ahead and copy that, and then you can feel free to promote it yourself. So this is pretty much how it's actually going to work. Just make sure you find the right offers that you want to promote. And if we just go to affiliate programs instead, it's going to look a little something like this instead. And if we just click on the first one, just for the sake of this example, we can actually see all the offers within that specific affiliate program. So that's the difference. It's actually going to include more offers in one program. So here, for example, for System.io program, we can actually see multiple different offers, and each one is going to have different statistics. And if we just click on this one, we can feel free to just again click on sales page, promote offer, copy the link, and just share it on our social media, website, whatever it may be. So this is pretty much all there is to it. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.